In this video you will know about choosing the best tongue cleaner scraper involves considering several factors to ensure effective oral hygiene. Begin by evaluating the material. Opt for a scraper made of high quality, durable, and non-toxic materials such as stainless steel or medical grade plastic. Look for a design that suits your preference, from simple, straight-edged scrapers to those with ergonomic handles or curved profiles. Consider the cleaning surface as well. A textured or ribbed surface can enhance the removal of bacteria and debris from the tongue. Lastly, consider personal preference, such as color, brand reputation, and any specific features that cater to your needs. Reading user reviews and seeking recommendations can provide valuable insights into the effectiveness and durability of different tongue cleaners. Ultimately, finding the best tongue cleaner scraper involves a balance of material quality, design, ease of use, and personal preference for a comprehensive oral care solution. Further details please check description.